Please wait a moment.
Teller County Sheriff's Office.
Hi, this is Pauline Callahan. I have a flash drive and some evidence to drop off for Officer Livingston.
Okay.
I can do it in about 20 minutes, if that's okay.
Yeah, what you need to do is just go to the lobby of the jail. There's somebody over there that can take it.
The lobby of the jail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for calling the Teller County Combined Court. Your call. Thank you so much for your patience.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
This is Pauline Callahan. I just received District Court Teller County summons for dissolution of marriage. However, there is no case number, no division, no courtroom, no date and time that I'm supposed to be there. Again, if somebody can give me a call back, I'd like to know why I got this without any dates or times to be there. Again, number, and it's petitioner David Callahan, and you guys didn't even spell my name right. It's Pauline Callahan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
How are you?
Oh, I'm okay. Okay.
I got your emails.
Oh, well, that cop called me Saturday night at about 11 o'clock at night.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. He did call you back?
Yeah, he called me about 11 o'clock at night on Saturday.
Wow.
So I got a response out of him. I just got back from dropping off a couple of bags of evidence and an envelope with a summary and the flash drive that they wouldn't take before, but they have it now.
You had to deliver it?
Yeah, I delivered it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
He's not going to hold up in court. He knows that.
Don't know. They wouldn't fucking take it when they were here.
I know.
So,
I'm sorry.
I don't know what to do. But they do have, he told me, they have the copy and they have the vial with the substance in it. So that's probably going to be the main part of it, because really the pipettes would be just like a residue. So he said Friday he's sending it to CBI or the lab or whatever it is.
Yeah, the one they said that was closed that I called and they said, no, we never closed. We just changed our protocols.
Uh-huh.
That one?
Yeah. So he said that he's been trying to review the videos on his off time at home. I'm like, well, it would help if you had the flash drive, because you can sort it by date and time that way. But they have had full access to my Google Drive from day one. So they've had opportunities to see it. I've sent them, clips going, this is one that you need to look at. So it's just one of those. I'm still frustrated. I still don't know what it is that he gave me. The cop was asking me about date rape drugs and stuff. I'm like, I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't be making such a big deal about it. So, yeah. So I'm trying, trying. And then
you didn't have anything else to say? Or I know he asked you about your protection order. Has it been served?
No. Well, see, that's another thing. David's evading service. So I put it out in Teller County, but he doesn't reside here. So unless he shows up here, it's what are they going to do? So Arapahoe County, he works. His office is in Arapahoe County, but they dispatch him from his truck, so he's never at the shop. If he is, it's rare.
Right, but they could tell him where he is.
But they won't. So I had the civil service for that, and I had civil service for Adams County. So Teller County or Arapahoe County, and now Adams County is where he's staying at. He owns that house that his mother's in. So he's staying in that home, in her basement.
Community property.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking, I wouldn't normally do that, but at this point, because 2 times now, his mother has protected him. The civil service went to deliver, and they were unable to because she said that it wasn't his residence and he didn't live there and he wasn't there and they didn't know him and shut the door on his face. And that was the one through civil service. So I hired a company, and the guy that I hired had the same experience where she opened the door and wouldn't cooperate, said this is a Durham residence, and slammed the door. So knowing that he's there, because his work truck's parked in the driveway, it's hard to miss, because it says Rocky box truck. So you can't miss it. But he wrote down the license plate number, and he's going to try to get him at work, but that's a hit or miss. I mean, he's never there, so I don't know. So, and he charges money. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. But I did get a letter in the mail. The letter says I have a court phone hearing on Tuesday, June 23rd for divorce, I guess. It's in, what is this? Initial status conference. So he has a lawyer out of Colorado Springs for a divorce. He has a divorce attorney, which is fine because I wanted a divorce anyways, but I can't find a damn divorce attorney. And the guy that's supposed to help me with the restraining order, I haven't even talked to him. I'm talking to his receptionist. So, and I know he's free, but I told him I would pay them for a divorce. And so he's too busy to talk to me. Pitkins, Mike, I think it's Mike Adams with Pitkins Law. And he's busy, so he can't talk to me. I was thinking if I had the same lawyer, then I wouldn't have to re-explain everything all over again.
Yeah, I know, but he doesn't usually. Okay, I sent you a reply that we can reapply for CPS.
Okay. Yeah, I did see that. I wasn't sure that's for an attorney, though. I got a letter in the mail saying I was denied. They did give me a call prior. Yeah.
So we can reapply.
Okay. I mean, I was going to just put it on a credit card. I mean, then at least you'd have to pay half of it anyways. So, I don't, I'm living on credit cards right now. It's frustrating. But, I still got other people I have to take care of around here. So.
I wanted to ask you, do you get paid by CDOT to take care of the?
Nope. I don't get a dime. I'm lucky to get reimbursed for my expenses. My grandma gives me a hard time. I've been working with TRE and APS for 4 months now, and I still don't have benefits in place for them. I've been trying and trying and trying, and then David's crap hit me, and now I'm been put on the back burner. They've been dragging their feet because of COVID. Rochelle should have had a DD waiver because she's Down syndrome. And my grandmother never did what she was supposed to do for the benefits-wise. So there's 20-year waiting list, and she doesn't get it because there's a 20-year waiting list. So I got grandma's set up for the IHSS or something like that. It's but it's not till August that they can get somebody out here. So, I'm not getting any help from anybody. I can't get respite up here, and I can't leave these guys alone because they need respite. So my son's here helping me. But, I mean, I've called because they were talking about other programs like home health care and trying to set up. And, I've been going crazy because I need a break from them. I got to deal with David. I've been sick, and I've been, You
can't leave them alone.
Nope.
But you can. He's not allowed to.
Oh, we'll see. He wasn't allowed to turn off the TV. He did that. He wasn't supposed to be harassing me by email and using my robot to harass me either, and he did that. So he wasn't supposed to come back to the house, and he did. So, it's just I don't know. Just because the judge orders him to pay the bills doesn't mean he's going to. And I can't even log in to see if he paid the mortgage because he locked me out of the account. And now that my name's not on the house, I can't get in because he took my name off the mortgage last year.
I know.
I have this phone thing with this divorce, and I'm I wanted to file divorce first, but I haven't been able to find a lawyer. So. He thinks he's going to beat me to the punch.
Have you sent the restraining order to his attorney?
I did. I actually did that this morning because I just got this letter in the mail Friday, I believe it was. And so I sent it to the lawyer this morning, copy of the restraining order, since I can't get him served. And I did send a copy of the restraining order to his email as well when he was sending me harassing emails and sent me a naked picture of myself to try to intimidate me not to tell on him. So, yeah, so now cops have a naked picture of me, so whatever. But it's a little, it's embarrassing. So he's trying to embarrass me so I wouldn't tell on him. So.
Right. Well, that's intimidation.
Mhm. Yeah, but it's he hasn't been legally served. So even though he knows, he hasn't been legally served. So they won't do anything about it. So, and that's the thing. He's avoiding service for a restraining order. I mean, why? So that I don't understand that because
if his attorney is worth anything, he's going to tell him you're going to be served. You're either going to be served, when you show up in court, or the judge is going to put out an order to have you arrested.
Yeah. Well, that would be nice. But I don't think so. So, I mean, I don't even know, like...
People take kindly to this kind of stuff.
Yeah. So I don't know what the judge didn't seem like she believed me when I went in there the first time. The second time around wasn't as bad, but, I still have the burden of proof. And I got it on flash drives, and I got all, I reviewed all those videos, and I might have missed some stuff, but I got, the big stuff on there. And, but I haven't talked to the lawyer. And he didn't have time to talk to me. So I don't know what they're going to do.
Well,